Hello and welcome to another walk around video. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at Toyota Camry LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in Celestial Silver. Under the hood you'll find yourself a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include that aggressive front end, daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, and that automatic trunk release button. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Camry has to offer. Helping ourselves inside, we got our key fob right here with the lock and unlock button and our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a sec. Press the unlock button once. For the driver's side, we're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you do have some storage space as well as a cup holder. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Mixed black leather cloth seating, as well as your power adjusters. So now we're just going to hop inside and start the vehicle up. Just press this button on the key fob, that key will pop right out. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up here, like so. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right side of the steering wheel, you do have your Toyota Safe Sense with lane departure assist and radar cruise control, as well as your cruise control settings are here. Moving to our entertainment, entertainment display. Right now we are on home. If we go ahead and press audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM. Of course, those are USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device if you choose. You have that backup camera with those guidelines, which is nice. Moving down to the climate control settings, you do have your intensity right here, temperature, and your function. Moving down, you have your 12-volt outlet, USB auxiliary port, as well as some storage space, perhaps for your phone. Here you got your 2 cup holders, passenger and driver heated seats, and the center console, which provides plenty of space. Lastly, we're just going to take a look in the glove box. You can see it's nice and simple and it goes right in there. There's plenty of space. So now we're just going to close that up. So before we take a look in the cargo, we're just going to take a look in the back first real quick. On the bottom there, you do have a cup holder. We do have those all-weather mats in the back as well. More mixed cloth and leather seating, and right in the center here, if we just pull this down, you do have an armrest that also features 2 cup holders. So to hop inside, all you got to do is just hold that trunk release button on your key fob. That'll open right up for you. Taking a look, you can see there's a lot of room inside. We do have the folding seats that go right down in case you need that extra cargo room. And lastly, right underneath here, if you just pull that tab up, so you have all your tools to change your spare tire in case that ever goes. Let's hope that's not the case. So now we're just going to close that up. Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry LE. Once again, some of your great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats, backup camera, and Bluetooth compatibility. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.